Hello student, we are going to solve the algebraic simultaneous equation by the method of elimination method. In the elimination method, two equations already given, 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. First equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 11, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. The coefficient of y in first equation is 2, second equation is 3. So I will multiply cross first equation by 3 and second equation by 2. So what I will get, 3 3 ja 9x, 3 2 ja 6y, 11 3 ja 33, 2 2 ja 4x plus 3 2 ja 6y plus 4 2 ja 8. Now here the sign of 6y and 6y both are same. So I have to change the sign. By changing the sign of three terms, I can cancel 6y. So I will get here 9x minus 4x is equal to 5. That is equal to, and 33 minus 8 is equal to 25. Now divide 25 by 5. X is equal to 25 upon 5 is x. Means I am getting a value of x is equal to 5. Now I will substitute the x is equal to 5 in equation 1. So that 3x, equation number 1 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. You can substitute the value of x in equation 2 also, but I am substituting in equation 1. Now I will substitute the value of x here. 3 into 5 plus 2y remains the same is equal to 11. 3 5 is 15 plus 2y is equal to 11. Now I will transfer 15 to that side. So I will get 2y is equal to 11 minus 15. 11 minus 15 is minus 4. 2y is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to minus 4 upon 2. That is y is equal to minus 2. So I am getting x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. Now we are going to solve another problem which is given as 2x plus 3y is equal to 17. 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. Here the coefficient of y is, what is the coefficient of y is 3 and here the coefficient of y is 2. So I will cross multiply, means first equation by 2 and second equation by 3. What I will get, 2 2 ja 4x plus 6y is equal to 34. Okay, the second equation will be 9x minus 6y is equal to 18. So in this equation, in this problem, plus 6y and minus 6y, they are in the opposite side, so we can cancel it. Means you have to add this one. So what will come here is 13x is equal to 8 plus 4 12, carry 1, that is 52. Now x is equal to 52 upon 13. So 13 1 ja 13, 4 ja. So I will get the value of x is equal to 4. Now I will substitute this in x is equal to 4 in equation 1 or 2. So now I am substituting the value of x is equal to x is equal to 4 in equation 2. Okay, I can substitute in equation 1 also, but I am substituting the value of x in equation number 2. What is my equation number 2 is 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, now 3 into 4 minus 2y is equal to 6. 3 4 ja 12. 3 into 4 is 12 minus 2y is equal to 6. Here y is negative, so I will transfer this 2y to that side. So I will get plus 2y. Okay, now transfer 6 here. So 12 minus 6 will come. So 12 minus 6 is 6 is equal to 2y. So y is equal to 3. This is the answer. Therefore x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 is the required answer for the given equation by elimination method. Okay. In this problem I am going to eliminate x. So the coefficient of x is 8 in first equation and the coefficient of x is 3 in second equation. By cross multiplying means I am multiplying this equation by 3 and this equation by 8. What I will get in first equation, 8 3 ja 24x plus 15y is equal to 9 3 ja 27. Okay, 8 3 ja 24x in second equation plus 8 2 ja 16y is equal to 8 4 ja 32. Now in this case also the sign of x are equal, therefore I will change the sign of these three terms. So 24x get cancelled, 15x minus 16y, that is equal to minus y. 15y minus 16y is minus y. 27 minus 32 is minus 5. So cancelling the negative sign, you will get y is equal to 5. Now substitute this y is equal to 5. Substitute y is equal to 5 in equation 1. Now I am substituting this value in equation 1. So what is my first equation is 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. Okay, 8x plus 5 into 5. Value of y is 5 is equal to 9. So 8x is equal plus 25 is equal 8x plus 25 is equal to 9. I will transfer 25 to that side. So 8x is equal to 9 minus 25. Okay. So what will come here? 8x is equal to minus 16. So x is equal to minus 16 upon 8. So what is the value of x is equal to minus 2. So the value of x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5 is the required values for the given linear simultaneous equation